The chapter which is considered to the bishop and candlesticks, which is completely renowned upon a great guy, in fact, ambassador of Lord. In a Christian community, it is said the bishop. But at times, it is also considered that we cannot say everyone a god. If we are saying someone a god, the person has to have some kind of that qualities which reflects the symptom of God. As in this story, a great bishop is considered to be a very humble, very kind and very helpful to everybody. Because of that, he always used to help everyone without expecting anything from the others, neither the respect nor anything else. Hereby, that's why sometimes her sister person is totally annoyed with him due to this kindness. Because of that, she feels that he has lost everything, all of his property, all the great things that they have, and similarly sometimes she thinks that he is one of the biggest fool in the world, although she respects him a lot. But at the same time, the situation comes in that way that a person who is supposed to be one of the biggest thieves in that scenario is associated with the bishop by protecting himself, running away from the prison. In that case, still the person has complete hope and complete kindness towards him to give him proper attention like a normal human being. That is the actual quality of a God, because God never thinks who is good and who is bad. Like our parents. For our parents, every son, someone is very intelligent and someone is very bad, equivalent for him. That the same quality of the man that makes him equivalent to the God. In this story, it is considered a candlesticks. Candlesticks were very important for him, as it was the last memory of his mother which was provided to him. So he has that kind of thing, he will never lose it for any. For his better future, for not reflecting his pain again, he give him without any problem. At the same time, although he has stolen them, but still his reaction was that he did nothing. He feels God has given him that kind of thought that he should take it away. This is a story which is, you can say, it is very simple. What the extraordinary thing it is. But at the conclusion of this story, what we find, even the greatness of a man, a kindness, love, sympathy, and these kind of qualities which are associated to a man, equivalent to God, can change even a like a giant, like an animal. There is no feelings in him, but still it is done without much of a problem. Why? The religions kind of things has converted him. There was no belief in him towards the God, but after this incident, he has all the belief, not on the God, but the person who is made by the God. And the ultimate conclusion that every human body has the soul, and that is the reflection of the God. In this way, this conclusion and this sideline is provided to us that whatever we do, either it's good or bad, we are reflecting God. We don't need to go anywhere else to see the God, because the God is in us, in front of everybody, in everything. in every human being. In this way, another thing which is subjected to it, that a person can be transformed. Sometimes it is said the nature can't be changed. We used to say no one can change, but it happens. At least we can say by identifying this story that it happened. If something touches your heart and if you feel associated with it, you can be changed accordingly. In fact, dramatically, completely outstandingly. This is the actual motto of this story, and we should learn and we can learn so many things. Okay, that's it. Have you had it? Now I will ask some of the questions from you that will be associated to the explanation given by me right now. So you have to give the answer shortly, not in that very fast. I will ask whatever that will be according to you. What do you think of hearing or listening or reading after this story? What you feel about it? Clear? Rijwan, stand up. You tell according to you.
Kindness person, and he has a very good nature.
Okay, sit down. Only stand up. Why person as sister of Bishop was all upset with his brother?
The person, sister, Bishop's brother, was upset because he sells salt cellar, which is very important for us. He is the silver ones, and Bishop sell him because he wanted to pay the rent of his lodging.
Okay, sit down. You stand. According to you, why was Bishop is considered equivalent to God?
Because he is very sympathetic, he always ready to help anyone. He was always, he not think about himself, he always think for others, he always help others. Firstly, he gave a salt cellar that is important for her, and he sent her sister, and again he also that is
Why was Bishop considered as equivalent to God?
Because Bishop was the kindness and the sympathy. He gives all listening, he gives to him. He gives the salt cellar for the Mary Victoria for the rent of house, and he gives the candlestick for last gift for his mom.
Why was converted into a good person after being such a giant person?
And the bishop was a very love and sympathy. He was changed into the love and sympathy. He is not like to a bishop. The best memories the bishop changed into the love and sympathy.
Now ask you. What do you think the kind of person the bishop is possible in present life or not? If not, why?
Yeah, I think the everyone Bishop always help others because he was like next to like God help others and saw them the way for success. In the same way, the Bishop also help others and saw them to the way to success.
You. What was the things related to convict which has created sympathy in the bishop's mind for him?
The convict think that the bishop was a very good, the bishop was very kind-hearted person. He has a good sympathy for the convict. the bishop gives to advice that he can't a bad man, he can't a bad person. He was a good person, and he changed to our mind.
Same question for you. Why was Bishop was saying to get too kind about him, about convicts? Why?
Because the bishop was so kind person. He loved equally to all the people. Convict is so beast and so beast. Convict think that no good in the world is left. So he was so cruel. But the bishop kindness changed him.
Okay, sit down. Akanksha, stand up. Every human body is a house of Lord. What does it mean?
Because the God is everywhere and every person, and live of every person.
Okay, sit down. Sir, please go.